the compound semiconductor cluster. It's one of Wales's, if not the UK's, best kept secrets. We currently employ around 3,000 people across the core companies, and we're going to need another 3,000 over the next 5 years or so in order that we can recruit our future experts in semiconductors.
Pathway into Semiconductors programme is aimed at mid-career professionals with experience in things like electrical and mechanical engineering, and the purpose of this programme is about transferable skills that people can come into this compound semiconductor cluster that's growing across South Wales. There's been a really good mix of activities in this programme. We've had some site tours, some hands-on activities. There's been meet the employer sessions, so they've had the opportunity to meet firsthand those cluster partners who are recruiting at the moment.
The industry needs more talent, and it's clear. The world is evolving towards a digital world, and it's not going to stop. So that's just going to keep growing and growing, so we need to grow with it.
We're really acutely aware of the skills shortage in semiconductors, and thinking outside of the box to find people that have got really great skills is really important.
There is a wealth of knowledge out there and transferable skills that the semiconductor industry can use. There isn't enough people coming through the pipeline into engineering, so it is really important to share with people what semiconductor is all about.
I basically came into this not really knowing what to expect at all, but it's been really interesting to find out about compound semiconductors and how they're used in basically every industry. And then meeting the businesses today, it's been really good to see, exactly how I can fit into that and how transferable those skills are.
Before I was a bit dubious whether I'd fit in, because I saw it more as like a scientific orientated industry, but now seeing the fab, there's a lot of crossover skills, and that's more interesting for me, knowing that there is a place for people from different industries to move into the semiconductors.
Pathway into Semiconductors programme is just a really great opportunity to learn about the industry, to meet professionals and employees working in this industry, to hear their stories of how people like yourselves have already moved into this industry, and see firsthand whether this might be right for you.